Think you know space? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. The universe is way weirder and more wonderful than you can imagine. Today, we're diving deep into the cosmos to uncover 15 amazing facts that will change the way you see the night sky. Let's start with something close to home, our own solar system. We all know about the winds on Earth, but what about other planets? On some planets, the winds are so powerful they reach speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. Imagine a storm where the wind itself breaks the sound barrier. It's an everyday reality on planets like Neptune. Speaking of Neptune, let's talk about its day. While we have a 24-hour cycle, a day on Neptune is incredibly short, lasting just 16 hours. Imagine fitting your entire day work, sleep, and everything in between into that short time frame. It makes you appreciate our leisurely 24 hours, doesn't it? But what about something on a much grander scale? Let's zoom out from planets to entire galaxies. Did you know that galaxies, these massive collections of stars, gas, and dust, can actually collide? It's not a quick crash, though. This cosmic dance happens over billions of years, as two galaxies slowly merge into one, creating a new, even larger galaxy in the process. Our own Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy, but don't worry, it won't happen for another 4.5 billion years. At the heart of these vast galaxies lies something truly terrifying and fascinating: supermassive black holes. Scientists believe that nearly every large galaxy, including our own Milky Way, has a supermassive black hole at its center. These aren't your regular black holes. They have masses millions or even billions of times that of our Sun. They are the cosmic anchors around which entire galaxies revolve. It's a humbling thought, knowing that a gravitational monster of that magnitude is sitting right at the center of our galactic home. Now, let's talk about some of the other residents of our cosmic neighborhood, asteroids. We often think of them as small rocks floating in space, but some are absolutely enormous. There are asteroids out there that are larger than small countries. Imagine a single rock, a leftover from the formation of our solar system, that dwarfs nations like Luxembourg or Singapore. These giant space rocks are a stark reminder of the scale and power of the universe. So, how big is the universe anyway? Well, the part we can see, the observable universe, is about 93 billion light-years in diameter. A light-year is the distance light travels in 1 year, which is almost 6 trillion miles. So, multiply that by 93 billion. The number is so big it's hard to even comprehend. And that's just the part we can observe. The true size of the entire universe could be infinitely larger. We are just a tiny speck in an unimaginably vast cosmic ocean. Traveling through this vast ocean are cosmic rays. These are high-energy particles, mostly protons and atomic nuclei, that are constantly bombarding Earth from space. What's incredible about them is their speed. Cosmic rays travel at nearly the speed of light. They are accelerated by some of the most violent events in the universe, like exploding stars. When these particles hit our atmosphere, they create a shower of secondary particles, a silent, invisible rain from the cosmos. Speaking of exploding stars, let's talk about supernovae. When a massive star runs out of fuel, it can collapse under its own gravity and then explode in a cataclysmic event called a supernova. For a brief period, a single supernova can outshine an entire galaxy. What's left behind is just as interesting. Depending on the star's mass, the remnant can be either a neutron star, an incredibly dense object where a teaspoon of its material would weigh billions of tons, or a black hole, an object with gravity so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Let us head back to our solar system for a moment and visit the jewel of our neighborhood, Saturn. Everyone knows Saturn for its beautiful rings, but what are they made of? They are not solid structures. Instead, they are composed of countless particles of ice and rock, ranging in size from tiny dust grains to massive chunks as big as a house. These particles orbit Saturn, forming the spectacular rings we see through telescopes. It's like a miniature solar system of icy debris, all circling the giant planet. Next, let's talk about Venus, often called Earth's sister planet because of its similar size and composition. But Venus has a very peculiar habit. It spins backward. Unlike most planets in our solar system, including Earth, which spin counterclockwise, Venus spins clockwise. This is known as retrograde rotation. Why it does this is still a mystery, but one leading theory is that it was hit by a massive asteroid long ago that flipped it upside down. Now for one of the most exciting possibilities in our search for life beyond Earth. We often look for planets, but what about moons? Some moons in our own solar system, like Jupiter's moon Europa or Saturn's moon Enceladus, are thought to have vast liquid water oceans hidden beneath their icy surfaces. And where there's liquid water, there's the potential for life. These subsurface oceans are heated by the gravitational pull of their parent planets, creating environments that could possibly harbor living organisms, completely independent of sunlight. The idea of alien life swimming in the dark oceans of a distant moon is one of the most tantalizing prospects in modern science. So, we've talked about stars, planets, and galaxies, all the stuff we can see. But what about the stuff we can't see? It turns out that everything we can observe, all the matter that makes up you, me, the Earth, and all the stars accounts for less than 5% of the universe. So what's the rest? About 27% of the universe is made of something called dark matter. We can't see it, we can't touch it, but we know it's there because of its gravitational effects on the things we can see. It's the invisible scaffolding that holds galaxies and galaxy clusters together. Without dark matter, galaxies as we know them would simply fly apart. If visible matter is 5% and dark matter is 27%, what about the remaining 68%? That's where things get even stranger. The vast majority of the universe is made up of something called dark energy. This is a mysterious force that is causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate. For billions of years, the gravity from all the matter in the universe was slowing the expansion down. But about 5 billion years ago, dark energy took over, and now it's pushing everything apart at an ever-increasing rate. We have no idea what dark energy is, but it's the dominant force in the cosmos, shaping its ultimate fate. So, what is the brightest thing in this vast, dark universe? That title goes to quasars. A quasar, short for quase, a stellar radio source, is an incredibly luminous object powered by a supermassive black hole at the center of a distant galaxy. As gas and dust fall into the black hole, they heat up and glow with unimaginable brightness. A single quasar can be hundreds or even thousands of times brighter than an entire galaxy containing billions of stars. They are beacons from the early universe, allowing us to see back in time to when the cosmos was much younger. And that brings us to our final fact. The universe is constantly expanding. Ever since the Big Bang, space itself has been stretching, carrying galaxies along with it. From our perspective, it looks like most galaxies are moving away from us. But the same would be true from any other galaxy. It's not that we're at the center. It's that the entire fabric of space-time is expanding. This ever-expanding, dark energy-dominated cosmos is our home. From winds faster than sound to invisible forces that shape reality, the universe is filled with wonders that challenge our understanding and ignite our imagination. Which one of these facts amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love exploring the mind-blowing mysteries of space, don't forget to subscribe to know facts for more incredible content. Thanks for watching.